My name is Siobhan and I'm here at the McCall's kitchen. For this holiday season, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own gingerbread house. First we have the 9-inch, a 6-inch, and a 4.5-inch. We have lots of fun decorations like royal icing and lots of sprinkles. You can get all of these decorations at McCall's. Alright, let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to pipe on the decorations on the outside of the house before we assemble. This makes it easier rather than doing it after the house has already been assembled. So I'm just going to outline the door and some icing. I'm going to use lots of icing in this to make sure everything sticks and tastes much better with that much icing. You can do any designs, add more pearls, it's all up to you. Gingerbread houses you can't mess up on because it's just so fun and creative. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the rest of these windows with the red and green candies, so that all my windows are the same colors and designs. Alright, now I'm going to pipe on some candy canes, stick them on with some icing onto the back pane of the house. Spread out some royal icing to make it look like snow. I have my royal icing here, and I'm just gonna slather it all over. So now I'm done spreading the icing all over the board. I'm gonna assemble it, and this is gonna act as our snow and glue to hold the rest of the house. Lots of icing to the corners and edges to make sure nothing falls apart. Make sure everything fits perfect. And again, add more icing to the top so that everything is sealed. Next thing I'm going to do is attach my chimney to the house. I have my two pieces here, and I'm going to glue them together with the royal icing and then put them off the side of the house. This is going to make a good landing. For later, we're going to add our Santa on. Next, I'm going to put it down with lots of icing so that it sticks nicely. Perfect. Now that the chimney is stuck on, I'm just going to put on the door and then start decorating. Now I'm going to start decorating the roof. First for the roof, I'm going to put on some shingles and decorate them with jube candies and mints. Alright, so the next step I'm going to do is I'm adding some little candy canes to the front of the house, kind of like lamp posts or just accents to the front. And to add on to the outside of the house, I'm putting some chocolate covered pretzels to put around as a fence. Perfect number. So I've fenced off the outside of the house, then a pathway to the door, and I'm adding a snowman and a couple more figures to the rest of the snow outside. Another feature I'm going to do is I'm going to add it's edible glitter, so it looks like snowflakes have just fallen. Now what I'm going to do, the whole fence is up, some people are in the yard, I'm going to add on some icicles. Okay, I've added on some more piping to my roof to make it lots of snowy and festive. Now I'm going to be putting on some sprinkles. I just have red and green sprinkles here. I think they're perfect for the top of the house. Alright, so that's icicles, the chimney, the roof, and I'm going to add on a little Santa to the top of the chimney. It goes perfect, it looks like he's coming down the chimney. So adding more icing, and voila. Now there's lots more fun things you can add, like these little Christmas trees. I'm going to stick them in the Gingerbread candies so that they have a good platform before they go into the snow. And feel free to use as much icing as you can because I've used a lot so far in the whole house, and it's good, it tastes better and makes sure everything's stuck. So try this with, your brothers and sisters, or you can have a gingerbread making contest. It was a lot of fun to make, and I put all my creative thoughts into this with lots of different McCall's products. You can use whatever products you'd like, any decorations, anywhere to put the Santa. So I'd love to see all of your creations too. Tag us at Love McCall's, and I'll see you next time. Bye!